Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding Gadgets. I'm out on the bike. I've got about 150-mile ride today in the pouring rain. And it's a good opportunity to test both the Chigee AIO-5 Play and the Alien Rider M2 Pro screen. So that's the M2 Pro screen here on the stem of the mirror, and that's the Chigee unit, which is in the BMW bracket. They both have a screen lock function as well to lock the screens in rain so that the rain doesn't make them go haywire, because sometimes if it's hitting directly on it, I think it's more of a problem. But like this, the rain is coming towards me, so it's not hitting the screens directly, so it's not as much of an issue, I think. So I haven't got the screen locks on. I tried them yesterday when I was riding down the way over to here, where I was going, and along both screens then, but I'm not bothered. The Chigee AIO-5 for BMW is quite good on the GSs because it takes all the data from the Beamer itself and feeds it through to here. So at the moment it's reading the same speedo as the bike, but you can change that to take it from the GPS, which I haven't done yet. But it's got the tire pressure monitors, the BMW ones is shown and everything. So you get all that data, and you can change this view to wherever you want it to be. They've got the different views which you may like better. This is now showing what gear I'm in, the tire pressure, speed, and the rev counter, and external temperature, etc. And fuel range. Fuel range is shown as 395 kilometers. Even though it's raining and my visor's a bit blurry, I can still read all this, because a lot of people are saying that they prefer the 7-inch units and they really prefer them. And I can understand that to an extent, but Chigee are refusing to make anything bigger because they're saying it's not needed, and they're saying anything bigger than this is too big for a bike. But whether they change that at a later date, I don't know. But at the moment, that's what they're saying. So if you've got a BMW and you're looking for one of the new CarPlay or Android Auto type devices, especially if you've got a GS or an S1000XR, this is just plug and play with those two bikes. It just goes straight in and it'll give you all the data from the bike, as well as CarPlay or Android Auto, and everything just works. I'm switching over back to the CarPlay, and it's running a route for me at the moment. So it all just works. It's perfect. It's more expensive than some of the other options, but you're getting a lot more for your money. If you've got an RT 1200 or 1250 or whichever one you have, there is another module you need to buy that plugs in under the seat to give you the data that you need. I'm not sure why that is, but there's obviously something different about how the RT set up, but on the Chigee website there are a list of bikes that are compatible and what you need to do. So if you're buying, please make sure you check all that first.